Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you add a zip code to Vanilla gift card. So let's get into the video. So firstly go to Vanilla gift card website. So just type in vanillagift.com. So get it to their official site here, and then now log into your account. So if you have an account, just log into your account. So hit on sign in or log in. So get your account. So once you're on your account here, so you're going to click on this check balance option here. So click on check balance option, and then when you click on check balance option, you'll see this screen here where you need to enter the details of your Vanilla gift card. Simply enter the details of your Vanilla gift card. I'm not going to enter mine because I don't have one at the moment. So just enter these details and then hit on continue. So when you hit on continue, it will display your card balance, and then below it there will be an option that says assign zip code. Simply click on it and you will be able to assign a zip code to your card, and you just have to do that, and that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how you add a zip code to your Vanilla gift card. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this information video was helpful. I will see you